Normally for a beginner method, you will start by solving the white cross and then solve one layer at a time. But if you do what's called F2L, you can solve the first two layers together that involve the edge and the corners. So first thing you need to know is a couple of simple algorithms. So to insert this corner edge pair into here, what you can do is R, U prime, R prime. Now similarly, to insert this corner edge into here, you can also do L prime, U, L. Now if you have the corner over here and the edge back here, and the top layers do not match, then what you can do is R, U, R prime. Then lastly, we just have the same thing on the left side. So in this case, like the corners edge here, edge back here, and the top colors do not match, you can insert it with L prime, U prime, L. So let's start by looking at the orange and green pair. So here's the corner piece here and the edge piece here. They will be going into the slot between the orange and the green centers. So the first step is to make sure that both of these pieces are in the top layer. Now we have the edge here and the corner here. So move this away and get the cross piece back. And now you can run into one of two cases. Either the corner piece is white facing up or it doesn't. In this case, it does not. And if it does not, what you have to do is put it on top of the slot it needs to go into. Next, facing the slot, turn the top once so that the whole white sticker can still be seen. So that will be over here. If you put it over here, then you will not be able to see the white sticker anymore. So the corner piece and the edge piece both have orange on the top, so they do match. So the edge piece can go either here or here. That's where you want it to be, not in one of these two spots. Now, if it helps you to remember, you can place your index finger parallel with the white, and the two edges that you touch are where these edges could go. Now, since the top colors match, you want them to be together. So, you want to let these two to be together like this. If the top colors do not match, you will want them to be apart like this. So now, knowing that we want these edges here, we can move it over here in one move like that. But that will move the corner out of the way. So instead, what we are going to do is, since the white is facing the green face, we can turn the green face away and then move the edge over, then bring the green face back. Now, what you will notice is they are paired together. So, once they are paired together, you can just insert using one of the algorithms that I taught you in the beginning. L prime, U, L. So, this time we have edge piece here and the corner here again, both green and orange, so they need to go over here. Since the white sticker does not face the top, we have the same case. We can move the white sticker to on top of the slot it go into, then turn the top layer once so that we can still see the white sticker, so that will be this way. Now take a look at the top colors just like before, and this time they do not match. So in following the same rule to see where it wants this edge to go, and the rule is to look at the Y. Place your finger parallel to that white sticker, and the two edges that you touch are where that edge should go. But now, what we want this time is, since they don't match, we want them to be separate like this. So we could move this over here in one move, but that will move this corner out of the way. Instead, since the corner is in the orange side, we can move the orange side like this away. Move the edge here, and then go back. Now, these two pieces don't look like they are paired up, but if you remember from before, one of the easy algorithm you can do is happen to be L prime, U prime, L, and then insert them. Alright, so now we are going to look at the orange and blue F2L pairs. So we want to insert them into here, and we have the orange and blue edge over here, and the orange and blue corner over here. Now this time the white sticker faces upward, so what you have to do is something different. This case is a lot easier, and all you have to do is get the edge to match a center. Then check if here and here match. If it doesn't match, turn that center away so that the edge piece goes to the back. If it matches here and here, turn that center like this. Move the corner on top of the edge, then move back. Right now, we have paired them, and then you can actually insert this by R, U prime, R prime. So that's actually all of the concept that you need to know in order to do F2L. Well, however, there are special cases that will not fall into those categories. So I will show you how to deal with those special cases. So just take a look at the red and blue pair. It needs to go into here. So if we follow our normal rules, the white sticker faces up, so we want to match the edge to the center, the edge piece, and turn it away. And this time, the corner ended up in the bottom layer, but we need to put the corner on top of the edge if we follow the normal rules, and that will be impossible. So that's how you know that they have a special case when they are all attached in a way, so that they cannot do what you would normally do. I will show you how to deal with special cases here, and there's only one thing you really have to do. Find a move that can split these pieces. So you want to get this corner to the bottom layer like this, and then you just have to move the edge piece away and move the corner back up. Now you have a normal case that you can deal with the regular rules. One thing that's important for dealing in special cases is that you don't break up other slots you have already solved. So let's take a look at what would happen here. We have a soft slot over here, and what we are going to do is split them up like this. Move the corner down here, and then move the edge away, and move the corner back up. Now you will notice that we broke this slot. So coming back to here, when the slot was still soft, you will notice that when we move the corner down, this came up to the top. So when the slot came up to the top, you want to make sure that it's an unsoft slot, such as this one or this one. So if we put this one at the back now, we can do it just fine. So here's the examples of F2L pen. So we have red and blue, and here's the edge. First, we want to take out this red and blue edge, and then here's the special cases that they are attached together. So we want to split them up by turning the corner to the bottom, turn the edge away, and then move it back. And now we are going to move this corner to where it should go. And now move the corner away so that we can still see them. And then put your index finger parallel to the white sticker, and then see where does the edge should go. The edge should go here or here. So now here is already been soft. So now we can just insert it using L prime, U prime, L. So here's another example. The green and orange, and here's green and orange. So first of all, we need to take out the edge, so like this, and now move the corner to where it should go. Now move it one way so that we can still see it. And now put your index finger parallel to the white sticker and see where does the edge should go. The edge should go to here because the top color is the same. And now it is soft. So we can just insert it using L prime, U, L. And here's another example. First, we need to split this up. We need to choose a slot that doesn't soft. So we can split it up like this. And now put this corner on top to where it should go. And move. Now here's the green and red corner, and here's the green and red edge. And now put it on top to where it should go, and turn the top layer once so that we can still see the white piece. And now put your index finger parallel to the white piece. And now this edge should go to here because the top colors is not the same. So turn the white face, bring this edge to here, and then bring back. And now we can insert it using R, U, R prime. And here's the last slot, the blue and orange one. So we need to separate it using an unsoft slot. And now put it on top to where it should go, and turn one move. Put your index finger parallel to the white sticker and see where does the edge should go. Since the color on the top does not match, it should go to here. And now we can insert it using L prime, U prime, L. Alright, so that's it for F2L. If you are interested in the next step, it's called Order or Orientation of the last layer. So that's going to be the next video. And if you just want to see a preview, here's how it works. You do one algorithm that can solve the cross, and do another algorithm that can solve the top layer color. If you are interested, you can go and watch by clicking here.